Okay, this patient got a from Orlando, Florida, and she got the surgery in
2024.
2024. You did lipo 360, right?
Yeah, like
And
360.
okay, and that's it.
Yeah.
So do you remember it was a traditional or was laser based or J plasma?
It was traditional.
Traditional. What happened? So you said that you developed fibrosis, right?
Yeah.
So do you remember how many massages you did? Or what is the machine that they use?
Yeah, I did 10 to 12 massages, and they used cavitation and radio frequency.
Immediately, with the massage, immediately after the surgery.
Yeah, it was like the day after we started.
Okay, so do you remember if the massage therapy they was forcing the fluid to come out?
In the first couple sessions, yeah.
Okay, so the fluid was coming out through the incision, right?
Yeah, the bottom incisions.
Okay, so do you remember if she reopened the incision?
No.
No.
I don't think
Okay, well, so I when you start to realize that you have a lumpiness or fibrosis sign?
I think after 6 months, I realized that that's kind of your results, so I knew it wouldn't, like, it wasn't swelling anymore, it was just there.
Mm-hmm.
So after 6 months and then till 8 months, I just realized, like, it wasn't going away.
Okay, so you tell the doctor about that?
Yeah, and they just said that I would have to pay more to get another, like, post-op, um,
Revision surgery?
yeah,
Okay,
revision and just a consultation even. Like, I'd have to pay $250 just to see them again and talk to my doctor.
okay. And so you didn't want to get another surgery, right?
No, I didn't. I didn't want to deal with the recovery again and have to wear the garments and do the whole procedure.
Okay, so it was no good experience for you.
No, I would not do it again.
Okay, well, so and you were looking for a place to remove the fibrosis. So where you found out this place?
Yeah, I found it on Google. I was looking for something to target fibrosis after lipo.
Uh-huh. And why you pick this place between other options?
I picked this place because of the pictures. I saw actual results. Um, you guys look dependable. You look like you have trusted like sources. It looked like a reputable source, and obviously the picture shows your results too.
Yeah, so do you remember you went to our YouTube channel and, to listen all the more than 160 testimonials that we got there from people from all over the world?
Yeah, I listened to a couple of them.
Okay, this was for you was important to convince yourself to come to see us, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. So well, so far, so you got 7 sessions with us.
Mm-hmm.
So we have remaining session, and until now, you can say that you are better, worse, or the same.
I would say a lot better.
Lot better. So, can you tell us how? What is the percentage that you can calculate that better? 70, 60, 20% better.
I would say around 90%. I think there's maybe like 10% left, but hopefully after today's session, it'll completely be gone.
Yeah, because today we're gonna start another session. So yeah, we can say okay, if in 7 sessions, you think that you got the 90% better, so probably with the last one that is today, you can achieve the 100%.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you recommend this treatment to other people with fibrosis?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's worth it.
Worth it. So are you happy with the result?
Yeah, I am very
Okay,
happy.
thank you. Well, so I want to tell the people so don't wait too much because usually the doctor say okay you have to wait 6 or 8 months. I don't know why.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? You have to wait or?
I think personally, I wish I found this place right after I did my surgery, so I wouldn't have to, like you said, wait 8-10 months after surgery, and then it's harder to deal with the problem.
Yeah, well, this is very important. Sometimes fibrosis is because not the surgery, because the post-op care. So always I say like a slogan, so allow us to be your first option instead to be your last hope.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for your testimonial. So see you soon, girls. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.